You wonder why you lose on some Forex pairs and then win on some Forex pairs? You wonder why? All right, I've brought you just a solution, right? So this is how to trade from beginner to pro with Trader Nixon, and this is episode 5B. Episode 5B. Now, guys, make sure you follow me. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you put this video in your favorite section. Now, this is a take, right? Now, we have a lot of currencies. We have a lot of countries that are listed on the Forex exchange, right? And so these currencies have their own economies because they are all countries, right? So we have categories of or criteria that define whether these, currency is a major currency, minor currency, or an exotic currency. So these are the criteria. I'm going to mention them to you, but these are like, categories of currencies that are traded on the Forex market. So you could find yourself trading a major currency pair or minor currency pair, or an exotic currency pair, right? So this is how you can define whether a currency pair is a major currency pair, minor currency pair, or an exotic currency pair. Now, major currency pairs are currency pairs that, have been defined because of their volume of trade, right? So we have the US dollar, we have the Great Britain pound, we have the Japanese yen, we have the euro, we have, Swiss franc. Just go and search for major currency pair. I think they're up to 7 or 8, something like that. So any currency pair you find out there that has, all these listed majors with the dollar included is what we call major currency pair. So that's an example is GBP USD. So that's the Great Britain pound and the US dollar, and USD JPY, United States dollar, and then the Japanese yen. We have Euro USD. So you have the European Union and then the US dollar. So these are major currency pairs. Then we have minor currency pairs. So minor currency pairs are currency pairs that have been listed with higher volume of economic activities. So these are major currency pairs, but then you wouldn't find the dollar in there when you pair them. I hope you're getting the whole point, right? Because minor currency pairs are major currency pairs, but this time around, you wouldn't find the US dollar either as a base or a quote currency. So you will see maybe GBP, Euro GBP. So you see EUR GBP. So this is a minor currency pair, even though they are all major, economies. But because you wouldn't find the dollar as the base or the dollar as a quote currency, it has now become it has now fallen under what? The minor currency pair category. So minor currency pairs is just similar to major currency pairs, but this time around, you wouldn't find the dollar as quote or base currency. So the difference between the major and the minor is with the major currency pairs, you would definitely have to, find the US dollar playing a role or being paired as a quote or the base. So you will see GBP USD, USD JPY, they are all major currency pairs, but you will definitely see the dollar playing a part with the whether it is the base or the quote. Then we have exotic currency pairs. So exotic currency pairs are currency pairs that has an emerging economy. So you see South Africa, we have the USD ZAR as an exotic pair. I'm trying to explain all these things in a layman's terms so that it wouldn't be like a textbook kind of explanation that I'm giving out to you, right? I'm just trying to dig deeper and then make it very understanding to you guys, right? So we have the exotic currency pairs. You could see an example of exotic currency pair with the dollar and then let's say the Russian currency, right? You will see the dollar and then even Ghana cedis, even though Ghana cedis is not out there, but I'm just trying to tell you an example of exotic currency pairs. So exotic currency pairs is having, low volatility economies, pairing with the dollar, right? the dollar is very strong, and then comparing the dollar with the South African ZAR, you will see that the dollar will definitely outperform, the ZAR. So if you go on those charts, you will see very volatile movements on the chart. So that's why we call them exotic pairs. Exotic pairs. So these are categories of currency pairs that I can list to you guys. So the reason why you lose on some currency pairs might be this reason, because you don't really know whether this pair that you are trading is a minor, major, or an exotic pair. So let me just recap. So major currency pairs are currency pairs that have huge economic activity, huge volume in regards to economic activity, and I've listed a few. I told you to go search for the rest. So the JPY, the Japanese yen, is a major currency pair. The euro, the Great Britain pound, the US dollar itself, and Swiss franc, I believe. So these are huge economies, very strong economies. So they are major currency pairs. So these major currency pairs have to, pair with the dollar. So they fall under the category of major currency pairs. So you see USD, JPY, GBP, USD, Euro, USD. So these are deemed what? Major currency pairs. On the other hand, minor currency pairs are the same major currency pairs, but this time around, they are paired without the dollar. So you wouldn't find the dollar in these paired currencies. So you will see Euro GBP, Euro JPY, and then you see, just go there and search, you see. Don't make me say a lot. I wouldn't give you all the meat from the soup that I'm cooking, right? Go out there and search yourself. And then exotic pairs is what I told you, is a dollar. The dollar could be the base or quote with exotic currency pairs, but then it's still an exotic currency pair. So we have Indonesian currency, with the dollar. You have the ZAR, South African rand, with the dollar. These are exotic currency pairs. Exotic currency pairs. Guys, this is Trader Nixon, and trading from beginner to pro courses that I'm letting out to you guys, or giving out to you guys for free. Make sure you subscribe if you are seeing this on YouTube, like, share, and make sure you follow me if you are seeing this on TikTok. Make sure you favorite this video and make sure you like this video. I'm out.